In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Canva for education and unlock Canva Pro for free. This is perfect if you're a student or teacher with a school-issued email address, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. Start by opening Canva in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. That opens your account menu, where you'll find the option called Plan and Pricing. Click that to see all available plans. On the pricing page, scroll to the section labeled Choose a Plan and select Education. This is the path that leads to the free upgrade for eligible school accounts. Next, you'll see a button that may say Get Verified or Get Canva for Education. Click it to begin the verification process. When prompted, enter your official school email address, typically one that ends in .edu, sh, or .tuf, and then click Continue. Canva uses this email to confirm your eligibility, so make sure it's the one your school provided. Now, head over to your school email inbox and look for a message from Canva. Open that email and click the verification link inside. This confirms that the address belongs to you. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check your spam or promotions folders, just in case it was filtered. After clicking the link, you may be asked to fill out a short form. If you're prompted, simply indicate whether you're a student or a teacher and enter your school name. This helps Canva match your account to an educational institution and finalize the verification. From here, you'll either be approved instantly or within about 48 hours, depending on your institution and the checks Canva needs to complete. Once approved, your account is automatically upgraded to Canva Pro at no cost under the Canva for Education plan. You don't need to install anything extra. With the upgrade active, you can use all Pro features. That includes premium templates for faster design, Magic Studio tools for AI-powered creation, the background remover for clean cutouts, and the brand kit to organize your logos, colors, and fonts. You'll notice Pro elements are unlocked across the editor, and your plan details in the account area will reflect Canva for Education. And that's it. Open Canva, follow the verification steps, and enjoy the full power of Canva Pro. Free for education. Happy designing!